in mathematics. What means in the before starting 2.5 exercise, identities are most important. Okay, these 8 identities are most important, but I am going to explain 7 identities to you because one identity for the academic year 2020 to 2021 it is related. So we are going to see about the 7 identities only. Okay. Now first, how the x plus y whole square is forming x square plus 2xy plus y square. So see here, a plus b whole square, x plus y whole square, whatever it may be, okay, it will be equal. Now first what we have to do, x plus y whole square, it can be written as power 2, it can be written as 2 times x plus y into x plus y, x plus y into x plus y. First you take this x, okay, x, then multiply with the total x plus y. Now if I have taken x here, what is remain? Plus y, then again to multiply this x plus y with this one. Now x into x square, x into y, xy, plus y into x, yx, plus y into y, it will be y square, y into y, it will be y square. Now xy, 6, 2 into 3, it will be 6, 3 into 2, it will be 6. So x into y, can I write yx, or yx, can I write xy? It is possible. So x square plus xy plus xy plus y square. How many times xy is here? 2 times. So see here, it is in addition. So x square plus 2xy plus y square. X square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the answer. See. It is getting x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the first identity. Now we will go for the second identity. Second identity is x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus 2xy plus y square. Now same as it is x minus y into x minus y, 2 times we will take, okay, because here it is power, so it will be taken 2 times. First take this x, multiply with this total x minus y, then minus y with total x minus y. So see here, first we have taken x, then what is remain? Minus y. So we are taking this minus y here. So x into x square minus xy minus yx minus into minus plus y into y square, minus into minus, it is plus. Okay. Now as we did yx equal to xy, so x square minus xy minus xy plus y square. Okay. Now x square, how many times minus xy? It will be 2 times, 2xy plus y square. See, this is the answer. This is the answer. This is your second identity. Now we will go for the third identity. In the third identity, it is given x square minus y square is equals to x minus y into x plus y, or x square minus y square is equals to x plus y into x minus y. These two are same, no problem. See here, x and y are the unknown. Instead of that x, y, if they give the numbers, then you should substitute at the place of x and y the numbers. Okay. Now, how it is forming? Now we will take this. Okay. X plus y. Either we take this x plus y or x minus y. No problem. Okay. X plus y into x minus y. We will see with both. Which one means these two are same. Only one is necessary to write. Don't write both. Okay. X minus y into x plus y. Okay. Now take this x and multiply x minus y, then plus y into x minus y. As we did in the previous, okay, same. Here x with x plus y minus y into x plus y. Now x into x square minus xy plus yx minus y square. Here x square plus xy minus yx minus y square. See, this one cancel. Remaining x square minus y square. X square minus y square. Now see, x minus y into x plus y equals to x square minus y square, or x plus y into x minus y equals to x square minus y square. This is your third identity. Now fourth identity. In the fourth identity, it is given x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into into x plus ab. How it is forming we will see now. Okay, first we will take x as we did previous. Okay, x, then remaining x plus b, then plus a into x plus b. Now x into x square plus x into b, xb, b into x, a into x, ax plus a into b, ab. So x square plus, what is common in these two? X is common. So b plus a into x plus ab. Can I write b plus a as a plus b? B plus a can be written as a plus b, no problem. A plus b into x plus ab. See, if you write x here, no problem, or before you want to write, no problem. It will be same only. It will be same only. See, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So a plus b can be written as a plus b can be written as b plus a, or b plus a can be written as a plus b. Okay. This is your fourth identity. This is your fourth identity. Answer of the fourth identity. Okay. Now we will go for the next identity. Fifth identity, a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, or x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2xz plus z 2zx. Okay. See here, need not to get confused. It is like a plus b whole square only. Okay. In that one we have taken 2. Here we are taking 3. Okay. Now x plus y plus z can be written how many times? 2 times. Y plus z, it can be written 2 times. First we will take x, then x plus y plus z, then plus y into x plus y plus z, then z into x plus y plus z. See here, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Don't get confused. Okay, this total we are writing x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z here, here and here also. Okay. Now x into x square plus xy plus xz plus xy plus y square plus yz plus xz plus yz plus z square. Now take these squares together. X square, okay. Next plus y square plus z square plus, now xy, how many times? 2xy, xy, 2xy. Now yz, 2yz plus zx, xz and xz 2 times x, 2xz, 2xz. This is the formula. Okay. Or else you can write like this also, no problem. X square plus 2xy, y square plus 2yz, z square plus 2xz. No problem. You can write like this or like this, but it will be better to write. Okay, it will be better to write. This is your fifth identity. This is your fifth identity. Now we will go for the sixth identity. In the sixth identity, it is given x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. 3x plus y. Okay. Now we will take x plus y. How many times it is given? Power 3. So we will write x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. We will write x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. See, for this we did x plus y into x plus y. It is in the form of x square plus 2xy plus y square. It is in the form of x square plus 2xy plus y square. See here. Okay, by this. It is in the form of x plus y whole square. It is in the form of x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square. Okay. Now x plus y into x square plus 2xy plus y square. X square plus 2xy plus y square. First we will take this x, multiply x square plus 2xy plus y square. Then we will take plus y into x square plus 2xy plus y square. X square plus 2xy plus y square. See, this problem, this identity is how it has means how it is deriving. It is most important because most of them they will not explain how the identities will form. But we are seeing the proof for this one, so it will be most important. If you are forgetting the identity also, you can do this. Okay, you can do and you can get the identity part. Okay. Now x into x square it will be x cube plus 2x square y plus x y square plus y x square plus 2x y square plus y cube. Now x cube, take together x cube plus y cube plus x square y and x square y, 2 plus 1 3x square y plus x y square 3x y square. You can conclude here or you can go up to this also, no problem. You can end here also or you can move up to here. What is the difference in that one? X cube plus y cube plus 3 xy is common. Take xy as common. So if we have taken x from this one, what is the mean? One more x here plus 1. This is the identity. This is the sixth identity. This is the sixth identity. Okay. Now seventh identity is how it is forming x plus x minus y whole cube. We will write x minus y into x minus y into x minus y 3 times. Okay. 3 times we will write. For this, it will form x square minus 2xy plus y square because it is in the form of x minus y whole square. These two are in the form of x minus y whole square. Now, x minus y into x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay. Now, I will take this x total. In this one, I am writing this x square minus 2xy plus y square. Again, minus y. Again in this one I am writing x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now x into x square, x cube minus 2x square y plus x y square. Now minus y x square minus into minus plus 2x y square minus into plus minus y cube. Now we will take this together, x cube minus y cube. Okay. Now 2x x square it is minus 3x square y. Now y square plus 3 x y square plus 3x y square. You can conclude here or you can move forward. Okay? What will be the x cube minus y cube? What is the common in this one? Common is minus 3. Take minus 3 and xy as common. If we have taken common here, so here it is plus. Here what is the x? Here it is plus. To make it minus into minus, it will become plus. So we will put minus y. This is the seventh identity. This will be the seventh identity. Okay, this is seventh identity. See, eighth identity it is not there for academic year 2020-2021, but I am explaining. Need not to take this for the academic year 2022-2021. The problem depend upon this identity. There will be no problem. In the exam you will not find that the problems which is related to this eighth identity. Okay, this identity is removed from the academic year 2022-2021. So let me explain this one. First of all, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. How it is forming we will see now. Okay. First we will take right hand side. Okay, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx minus zx. First we will take this x and multiply with this total. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. See, this is not sufficient, so I am writing here into y is equals to x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Next plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now we will multiply. X into x square it will be x cube plus x y square plus x z square minus x square y minus x y z x y z minus z x square next plus x square y plus y cube plus y z square y z square y z square next minus x y square minus y square z minus x y z next this one z plus z x square plus z y square plus z cube minus x y z minus z square x minus z square x. Now we will arrange in a systematic way. We will arrange this in a systematic way. X cube. Okay. First we will take x y z. Okay. X cube. Again maybe we will find x cube. Okay. Next y cube and z cube. X cube, y cube and z cube. Wherever you will find. Okay. Now we will write x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Now x cube finish, y cube and z cube finish. Now remain x y square, x y square. Wherever you will find x y square, one more x y square, x y square plus minus remove. Next x z square, x z square 1 again x z square plus x z square minus x z square cancel. Now x square y plus x square y minus x square y plus x square y cancel. Next x next y square z minus y square z plus y square z. Next x z square x z x square x z square x z square cancel. Now y z square one more is getting missing this one. Y z square and one more y z square is missing in this one. Okay, just y z square y into z square. Here it should be y into z square. Okay, y into z square. One is missing. At last 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 y z square. Here I am writing y z square plus y z square minus y z square, because here it is one here is missing z. Okay, in this one it will be okay. Y z square and y z square will get cancelled. Now remain one time 1 2 again there is one more 3 times minus 3 x y z minus 3 x y z minus 3 x y z. See here it is forming this. It is forming this one. Okay. See here this while doing this problem most of them will get confused. Most of them will be confused because it is forming this much long. See I here I mean this one I was missing. So z this z square, where it will be z square 1. I mean this one. So I have written it last, no problem. So this identity once again I am saying you this identity it is removed. Okay, it is not there for the academic year 2020 to 2021. So depend upon this identity what are the question it has been, it is also removed. That means exercise 2.5 11th 12th 13th 14th problem remove. Okay, 13th 14th problem remove. Hope everyone understood. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.